What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of The Wildlife. You guys are going to like this one. We're going fishing for brown trout in the desert. You might think, where would you find brown trout in the middle of the desert? It's pretty low country, but we were able to find them. We hiked 4 or 5, 6, 7, 20 miles, who knows. We hiked a long ways up this canyon and got into some clear water and found us some brown trout. Weren't a lot of big ones, but we caught quite a few fish and we had a ball. You guys stay tuned. Enjoy.
Oh, got him in the back.
I've never worked this hard to try to catch a fish, but apparently it's worth it. We're gonna run up the river and head up a little side canyon, and got my fly rod, and then I brought the little, I call it the shotgun. It's kind of my short range arsenal in case they don't want to bite fly. But anyway, we're gonna go up and see if we can catch a fish. You guys stay tuned. Right there. Fish on. Got him. Oh. Don't let him go, Royce. Oh yeah. That's a pretty fish.
Little brown trout.
Royce has got him another one. I think it's a silly hat. Coming in hot. That was a long bomber. You want me to grab him for you? Or?
What do you think? Look at him.
A little better fish. Oh yeah. That's a good fish.
What do you say, Wyatt?
I say, it feels good to hold a fish even if it's not my own. It's a cool one.
This is a waterproof, right?
Yeah. catch my own fish. It'd be a lot cooler. That was a good size one, though, wasn't it?
It's a big one, huh?
Is it? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. There's another one. They must like the little orange flavor to it.
We're gonna have to try this off now. You ever reeled a fish in on the Friday?
Why we go? A long time ago. Oh. Just barely got the. That's a pretty good fish too. Oh.
I mean, you're flipping away, you're gonna lose it. False hook doesn't count.
False hook. Oh, I got him good, huh? Oh, he's skinny. He's hungry.
Skinny.
Yeah.
That's a decent. That's a brown trout. Right
Pretty.
there. Dude, I jumped right in your way in front of the camera. You had a
Alright.
sweet hook and catch, and I freaking messed up the scene.
It's alright.
Ooh.
There's more in there. Ouchie. Poor guy. Well, right here's where my camera died. We had a fun day the rest of the day. Caught quite a few more fish, but just weren't able to get them on film. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more stuff. Thanks again.